So good evening everyone. This is the first lecture of class 12th. So in class 12th you have to start with electrostatics. So electrostatics basically deals with study of forces, field and potential arising from static charges. So we have to study all the things which is static, means charge must be static in this condition. So electrostatics deals with the study of forces, field and potential arising from static charges. Electrostatics can be broken into two parts: electro plus statics. So electro means electron and statics means charge at rest, so or electron at rest. So charge, what is charge? First thing you should ask guys, what is charge? Charge is intrinsic property of a matter due to which a matter can exert electric and magnetic effect. So there are two intrinsic property of a matter is mass and charge. Mass and charge both are intrinsic property of matter. So mass we have discussed in mechanics and charge we are discussing in this electrostatics. So all matter is composed of atoms. Atoms is made up of nucleus and electrons. So I have shown that this is nucleus which is containing proton plus neutron, and up the electron is revolving around the nucleus in circular orbits. So neutron is basically neutral. Charge on proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and that of neutron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Basically you know that atom are neutral. So in an atom, number of proton is equal to number of electrons. So I can say that actually neutron has no charge, proton and electron are basically equal. So the atoms can be said to be neutral in nature. So but what we have to do here we have to study an analysis of the charges. So charging we can done by three methods: the conduction, induction and friction, which we'll going to discuss later. But first of all we should know that what is this charging. Charging means adding or removing electron from an atom. Why we are talking about electron only? Because electron is found in the outermost orbit of the atom. So only electron can take participation in a chemical reaction, so that, and proton cannot leave this nucleus, because when proton will broken the atom lose its existence. So only electron, either excess of electron or deficiency of electron is there. So charging means addition or removal of electron. If you are adding electron, since electron has negative charge, we are making the atom negatively charged, and if you are removing electron from atom, we are making it positively charged. So charge may be a three condition: stationary charge, which we will study under electrostatics; constant charge, which we will study under current, electricity and magnetism; and accelerating charge, which we will read under electromagnetic waves. So this is a short introduction of charges. In next lecture we are going to discuss the things about charges properties.